Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset option and tap on the second option right here. As you can see, our device is informing us that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset Network Settings if you are ready. And as you can see, it's quite quick. Our device just informed us that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Huawei MatePad 10.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.